The holiday season is here, and it's not just the season of giving, it's also the season of earning. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned pro, I'll tell you several proven ways to make money online during the Christmas holidays. Stay tuned, and by the end of this video you'll have some actionable strategies to turn holiday cheer into a serious side income. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into the tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to sell holiday themed products. People love unique holiday themed products. You can create digital downloads like printable gift tags, holiday planners, or festive card designs. Platforms like Etsy make it simple to list these and start earning online right away. You don't need to be a graphic designer to get started. Tools like Canva provide pre-made templates that you can customize. You can add some creative flair, think Santa hats, snowflakes, or warm colours, and you're ready to sell. If you're not sure where to start, research trending keywords like holiday printables or Christmas planners to optimize your product listings. You can pair these with eye-catching product photos to draw in festive shoppers. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to offer seasonal freelance services. During the Christmas holidays, businesses ramp up their marketing efforts and need freelancers for tasks like social media management, copywriting, or graphic design. If you have these types of skills, now's the time to pitch them. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork.com are perfect for finding seasonal gigs. You can create a profile highlighting holiday-related services, such as creating promotional emails or festive Instagram graphics. Include a portfolio to help you stand out. For example, you can pitch yourself to small businesses looking to run Christmas sales, offer to write their email newsletters, or design holiday-themed posts that align with their online branding. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to launch a holiday affiliate blog. Blogs focusing on gift ideas, guides, holiday recipes, or travel tips can attract significant traffic during the Christmas season. You can use affiliate links from platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank to earn a commission. You can write posts like the top 10 gifts for mums this Christmas or best budget-friendly holiday decorations. You can optimize your titles with keywords that people are actively searching for using the Google Keyword Planner, and include high quality images to make your blog posts really pop. If you don't have a blog yet, don't worry. You can start with a free platform like WordPress or Medium. You can promote your content on social media such as Instagram or Pinterest to drive traffic and maximize your affiliate earnings. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to run a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is ideal for the holidays because you don't need to hold any inventory. You can partner with suppliers to sell holiday themed items like Christmas pajamas, LED lights, or winter accessories. Platforms like Shopify make it very easy to set up an online store, while tools like Oberlo connect you with the suppliers. You can focus on products that solve seasonal problems or bring more joy. Think ugly Christmas sweaters or personalized ornaments. You can promote your online store using holiday-themed Facebook or Instagram ads. Make sure your website is fully optimized for mobile devices, as most shoppers browse on their phones during the Christmas holidays. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to create and sell online courses. The holiday season is when many people are looking to learn new skills. You can create a short online course teaching something you know, like budgeting for holiday spending, crafting DIY gifts, or even cooking festive meals. You can use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to host your online course. I recommend to keep it simple with clear video lessons and downloadable resources, which are enough to start. You can promote your course as a way to make the holidays stress-free or even extra special. Let me give you an example. If you're good at making decorative wreaths, you can create an online course titled DIY Holiday Wreaths in 30 minutes or less. You can market it as a fun family activity or cost-saving option for festive decorating. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to offer gift wrapping services online. Gift wrapping might seem old school, but you'd be surprised how many people are willing to pay for expertly wrapped presents, especially for long distance shipping. You can market your service on local Facebook groups or platforms like Thumbtack. You can offer to include personalised notes or unique packaging for an extra fee. I recommend to show photos of your best work to attract more clients. You can partner with e-commerce sellers in your area who may want to outsource their holiday gift wrapping. It's a win-win. You'll earn and they'll save time. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to host virtual holiday workshops. You can offer virtual workshops for popular holiday activities like cookie decorating, wreath making, or crafting holiday cards. You can charge a small fee for participants and upsell them on kits or additional resources. You can use platforms like Zoom to host the event, share a materials list beforehand, or offer pre-made kits that they can purchase from you. Make it engaging and interactive to keep your attendees happy and eager to recommend it. For example, you could host a festive cake decorating workshop where participants learn to create Instagram-worthy desserts. You can market the workshop as a fun family activity or a way to impress guests at Christmas holiday parties. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to write and sell eBooks. Ebooks are a fantastic way to share knowledge and earn passive income. You can write about holiday-related topics like stress-free shopping tips, hosting memorable dinners, or finding the perfect Christmas gifts. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it very easy to publish and sell your ebook. I recommend to keep it short but highly valuable. Most people appreciate a quick read packed with actionable advice. Let me give you an example. You could write a book titled The Ultimate Holiday Budget Guide and promote it as a must-read for anyone looking to avoid post-holiday debt. You can pair it with a festive, eye-catching cover to grab some attention. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to start a YouTube channel or TikTok account. If you enjoy creating content, you can capitalize on the season by making videos or TikToks with holiday hacks, gift ideas, or seasonal recipes. You can monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Consistency is the key. I recommend to post regularly and focus on content that's highly shareable. For example, you can create a video like 5 budget-friendly stocking stuffer ideas and include affiliate links to products in your description. Don't forget to engage with your audience and respond to comments and ask for their holiday tips. It keeps viewers coming back and builds community around your content. There you have it, 9 actionable ways to make money online during the Christmas holiday season. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate a decent income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up, because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.